Imagine your developer just released a new version of web app. Everything seems perfect until a customer points out a hidden visual bug that your usual test missed. You wonder, how can I make sure my UI looks just right every time? This is where image testing steps in, providing a label of visual validations that traditional testing tools cannot match. testRigor as the cutting edge automations hero that empowers tester to go beyond code by making automation easier and more powerful with robust image testing feature. What could be a challenge when we are using traditional applications or tool for the automations? Traditional element based automation is great for functionality, clicking buttons, submitting forms, checking that things work. But what about visual glitches, misplayed image, or unexpected UI changes? These often slip through the cracks because regular tests don't look at the app the way users do with their eyes. Here we'll see each and everything in detail. Before we proceed, I would like to show you one example which I prepared before recording this video. This helps you get an idea and post that we'll start creating it from scratch. Here I targeted my website itself. You can see lot of images which is present on my YouTube channel. Each and every image is having their own informations. I would like to verify some steps or some logos, application name or image that contains the informations. I will be able to do it. And you can see the script, how it looks the script. It means each and every script is created with plain English language. I did not did any fancy thing. You can see here I try to verify Atlassian logo using AI. I try to verify Rally logo using AI. Even we can target for some of the text. Everything will be generated with the help of testRigor. And trust me, there is no coding required. Everything you can achieve it with the help of few clicks. And the result is magic, where you can show each and every steps without writing a single line of code, or test each and every steps without writing a single line of code. Let's begin how we can achieve it. Before we proceed, I have one question for you. Which image you would like to test with the help of testRigor feature for image testing? Here I will add test Gurukul images, and I will add type of testing is desktop applications, and from here I will just copy and paste the URL. It will fetch the entire URLs from here. There's a no username and password. I wanted to use Windows, Chrome, definitely yes. And I will just add some prompt here or descriptions. After adding the descriptions, it will generate the test cases accordingly. It means test cases are also generated with the help of AI. Post that, you can definitely change it. I wanted to test images present on the link. You can add more descriptive words if you want, but as of now I wanted to keep simple. Here we'll create test suits, and from this I will just add and build. It will automatically start generating the test cases or test automations with the help of AI. Once it is generated, we can even modify some of the steps and we can achieve what we want. Because it's using feature of AI, it might take some times to analyze the URL, and accordingly it starts generating the steps, which even we can modify it on further steps. If you have any comments or suggestions for this video, feel free to add it. If you would like to try it out, testRigor, I've already added the link in descriptions. By using that link, you can get this product for yourself. If you want me to cover more set of use cases, what type of use cases you would like to see, please add in the comment sections. We'll try to come up with further set of videos. Now, first image is generated. It went to the exactly same locations and captured the screenshots. Post that, it started verifying the channel name. So Gurukul is the channel name which it started generating. Then page contains @Deepak Rai and everything is generated. Now, after generating all those things, because it will take some times, it is generating from AI. You want to see more magic? Then we'll try with some more examples or some more ideas by using testRigor AI, how we can test several other things. It was plain simple, which I tried earlier. Now I will show you some more important pointers. By using that, you can test even complex processes. So let's see how we can achieve it. Because we are at YouTube channel. In YouTube, you will see lot of images are available. Thumbnails are in different types. Companies logos at different places. How we can test those scenarios. Inside the image, what type of image we have, we can also verify it. That's the power of testRigor. Consider this logo. I wanted to verify this Gurukul logo that can also be achieved. I wanted to verify this Atlassian or the smaller Atlassian logo that can be also achieved. Sometimes with some AI based tool, you won't be able to verify or test blurry image. One example will be Rally. This image left side contains Rally logo and this Rally logo won't be able to test it with AI tool, but with the power of testRigor AI we can also verify it. Inside this image, what contents we have that can also be validated. We'll see how we can achieve it. So we have to navigate it to the edit sections of the script, what we have written earlier, and start adding whatever points I mentioned to verify it. So first point will be check that page contains Rai Gurukul logo because we are starting from beginning. So here we'll add Rai Gurukul logo before. I have to just give some location so that whenever we'll run the script, it should not fail. I'm just giving locations. It tries to detect exactly what I'm looking for. Before @Deepak Rai because this logo is present before this. So here I'm adding using AI. We will test the blurry image as well. This image is little blurry because it's hidden under one icon. Next will be I wanted to verify this Atlassian and Rally logo as well. How we can perform it. Next contains I wanted to check that page contains human image, contains Atlassian logo below. So this time I wanted to verify this image where we have top keywords available as a button. So I will just add the top keywords as a location below top keywords using AI. I will just try copy and pasting twice. We can also verify some more thing. All the images contains my face. I wanted to verify with giving some random points and just to test is it working or not. Add contains human image below to latest. I wanted to give some locations and that locations either we can give test popular or oldest or we have to give the tile number or maybe we can give video number. So by this also we can achieve it. And next will be I wanted to verify Rally logo contains Rally logo and that's it. Here, whenever we'll save the script, it will start executing the test cases and we'll see the result here. It might take some time to generate this result, but you will be amazed or you will be surprised to see 100% positive response for this, where each and every time whenever you'll do the executions, that executions contains the accurate result or accuracy present within the test automations. So let's see how it looks. Now let's see the result. Here, second image will be generated for testing, and we can see the statement contains Rai Gurukul logo before @Deepak Rai. This is true because looking at the screenshots, I can see that there is indeed a logo with book and graduation's cap symbol. Can you see what it contains within the logo? That also fetched. So if I will change the statement to verify the logo, what it contains within the logo, that can be also achievable. It means that's the power of AI under testRigor. Within the image, what it contains, that is also trying to give you details. Gurukul positions at the left of the text, where this is the channel information sections. The logo appears in the lower left area, and what it has, that is also visible. That is how you can verify each and everything within the image present using testRigor. Let's see what next image will be generated. The next context, where I added the human image below to latest, is true because looking at this image, I can see in the YouTube channel Gurukul displays video thumbnail below the latest tab selector. It means it also detected content under the image. That's the power of AI. And you can also see it's highlighted with the latest popular on oldest options section as well. Next image, I wanted to verify Atlassian logo. The statement contains Atlassian logo below top keywords. It's true because screenshots shows YouTube channel called Gurukul with banner featuring various tech keywords and programming. So these all images or data is captured from this. Next will be looking at the video thumbnail at the bottom of the page. Top keywords, you can see the Atlassian logo. So Jira and Atlassian product is featured in the video titles, how to clean Jira and so on. See how to clean Jira product trash, what is Jira items, what is notifications. Everywhere we have the image available. That's is also verifying. And next, I wanted to verify Rally logo. I was surprised to see this AI based product was able to detect Rally logo as well, because most of the OCR system is not even able to detect it because this image is totally blurry and it's not clearly visible. Then also testRigor was able to verify it. So how to add new user in Rally is the video name. You can see how to add new user in Rally is the video name, and within this it was able to detect from the thumbnail we have Rally logo available. So it means it's true. Whatever context we have given was able to detect each and everything, and that too with perfections. That's the power of testRigor AI based tool. Whatever contents you want to verify from the image, that can also be doable. That's how the power of testRigors or AI based tools helping you to verify each and everything by saving lot of time in terms of automations and testing. Don't let visual bugs tarnish a great user experience. Try image testing with testRigors and make every release pixel perfect. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. If you have any suggestions, comments, and feedback about tools video, feel free to add in the comment sections. If you wanted to learn more about testRigor, feel free to refer testRigor playlist. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.